standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in.
Hello everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll decide to take a chance on this channel and think about subscribing. So, I have Boxycharm Premium that came today, so I have an unboxing for you guys. And I'm really excited about it. I've used the products and I have a lot to share with you. So, if that's something you want to see, keep on watching. Okay, so the big thing with Boxycharm Premium is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism palette that everyone was getting. Okay, so Boxycharm Premium showed up a little after 6 a.m. this morning, and it was weird. It didn't say it was Boxycharm coming. It said Ipsy and the number 3 for some reason. So I don't know what that's all about. But I've got my card, which has the products on here, a little bit about them, and the prices, and I'll put all of that on the screen for you. And I did... No, wait. Boxycharm Premium, you get to choose 2 of your items out of the 5 or 6, and I think the value is supposed to be $175 or more. And what else? $39.99 is what it is a month. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, so I got some more repeats. It just seems like we're getting repeats after repeats after repeats. And if you guys saw my recent video about my subscription box that's going to be launching, we got 2 of these as a full-size item, and the value is $40. It says it's a Boxy exclusive, and it's the Luxie all-purpose sponge set. I actually do like this. It feels a little different than a normal beauty blender, and it did apply my foundation well, so I was pretty happy about that. So we've got that. Then the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. I do have a clip of me using this. Really, no coverage. It is just a tinted moisturizer. It's for those that have perfect skin, so not for me. It does have a $37 value. And moving on, we have the Yom Beauty Badass Icon Matte Lipstick, a $24 value. This is the shade Tracy, and I do think she's pretty. I do not have her on right now, but I am going to do a swatch. I love the magnetic casing on the bullet lipstick, and she is a pretty color. There she is there. I definitely will use her. Pretty sure I will anyway. Cool. Yeah. Probably. Okay, the next thing, I forget how to pronounce this. I'll put it on the screen. I've used this before. I've gotten this before. They're like $33 a piece, I think. And it says the Best Buds Shampoo and Conditioner Duo has a $66 value. The one thing I really liked about this was there was no sulfates, if I remember correctly, because I use this in between using, no sulfates. I use this in between using the Just Nutritive because it is so expensive, and this works really, really good. So I am super excited about this, even though it is a repeat. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, that's right. I'm missing an item. Shocker, right? The Avent Skincare Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing Cleansing Gel. $110 value. Missing from my box. Nowhere to be found. So, the last thing I have, which I am in love with. Hello, the Nude Prism palette. Have you seen her? I will put some swatches in here, but I have her on my eyes, and I'm in love. I'm so in love with her. I will definitely be using this. I just absolutely love this color right here. It's like this wine-ish color, but I used quite a few colors. And I have to say, I'm very impressed. What was the value of this? A $48 value. Definitely very worth it. I've used some Lunar Beauty in the past, and it is pretty good, but I have to say, the formula seems to be getting better, which, I mean, yeah, It's just, you got your mirror right here, and I haven't pulled off the little doohickey yet. Am I the only one that leaves these on here? I don't know why I do that, but yeah, so I am very much in love with her, as if you couldn't have guessed. And if you got it, let me know. Have you used it yet? Because I'm pretty sure you're gonna fall in love. Okay, let's recap. I'm missing the Avent product, but I do have the Yoma lipstick in the shade Tracy, the shampoo and conditioner. Love this, and they count this as one item, which I think is awesome, and they should, right? But then moving on to the duo sponges, that you all know how I feel about getting a sponge for a full-size product. And then the Bare Minerals, pretty much for me useless tinted moisturizer. Then the Nude Prism palette. That's it. Why do I feel like, because I'm missing a product. There should be 6 in here. I will put the total value of my box on the screen for you guys. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I cannot wait to talk to you there. I don't know if I'll do you want me to do a separate tutorial using this? Because I'm going to put some clips of me using it in here, but let me know what you think. You guys know. I'll deliver if that's what you want. Okay guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. That was Boxy Premium for July 2022, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!